Do you want slimmer thighs, firmer glutes and tighter abs? Introducing the all-new CrossSlider, the easy in-home fitness trainer that can give you a whole body workout with incredible results in just 4 minutes a day. Tone up, lighten and tighten without spending hours or money at the gym. Combined with the tailored eating plan, the CrossSlider gives you the body you want in not months or weeks, but just days. Unlike other machines, the CrossSlider is the lateral thigh trainer with an increased range of motion, targeting your upper and lower body. CrossSlider works your entire body with fast results, just like thousands of people in health clubs all across the country.
I get a full workout, upper, lower, you name it, I get it.
You'll love the CrossSlider because it's so easy.
The CrossSlider system is guaranteed to give you results no matter what your fitness level. Call 1300-553-227 now to get your own CrossSlider for the special TV-only offer of only $129.95 or 2 easy payments of only $64.98 plus postage. Call right now and we'll send you the exclusive CrossSlider personal workout DVD for strength and aerobic training. This workout and training DVD valued at $20 is yours absolutely free. Use the CrossSlider system to look your best in just 4 minutes a day. The CrossSlider safety strap adjusts for increased stretching and flexibility, or add the free resistance band for the ultimate muscle sculpting strength training workouts. Call right now and we'll include this free LCD monitor to measure and track your progress. Plus the new You Eating and Food Guide, along with the CrossSlider Slim Down Plan and Training Guide. All this is yours free when you call now. Call 1300-553-227 to get your CrossSlider system for only $129.95 or 2 easy payments of $64.98. Call now and get an entire second CrossSlider for just $99.95. And it's all covered by our incredible 30-day money-back guarantee. Call now or click at deals2u.com.au. That's deals, the number 2 and the letter U. deals2u.com.au.